Letter U.
Okay, sige.
Mama.
Mm. Wala na.
Cut my hair.
You want to cut your hair?
Yeah, because it's coming in my eyes.
It's okay, it's done. Oh, no more na. Isa is pretty. No more na. Oh, sige na. Oh, dali na.
Cut my hair.
Later. Ngayon, inarte na naman. Papaloin kita dyan. Gusto mo ng palo? Kurutin kita dyan. Sige. Sige na, magsulat ka na. Okay.
I can draw rain.
Ha?
I can draw rain, go away, come again another day.
Okay. Oh, sige na.
I can draw cloud and rain.
Okay. First, draw a cloud.